Did you know that 100% of all new central air conditioning systems manufactured for the US use flammable refrigerants? That's because older refrigerants that damage the atmosphere have been replaced with A2L and A3, which are more eco-friendly alternatives, but both are flammable. As a result, every new AC system in the US is required by law to have built-in protection that can detect leaks, shut down systems, and prevent flammable gas from accumulating, all within 30 seconds. Existing sensor technologies haven't been up to the challenge until now. Introducing two new sensors from Sensata: Resonix sensors for A2L and non-dispersive infrared, also known as NDIR sensors for A3. Unlike everything else on the market, these sensors detect refrigerant leaks based on changes in physical properties in the sensor chamber. How? Sensata's A2L sensors monitor the acoustic resonance of the surrounding airwaves, while our A3 sensors look for changes in absorption of infrared light. The result is incredible speed, precision, and reliability that's changing what's possible in gas sensing. Sensata's A2L sensors are certified for the highest operating temperatures and have the fastest response times in the industry, with the Resonix sensors responding in just 5 seconds, which is why top global HVAC makers choose Sensata. But this is bigger than sensors. We're removing the barriers that have slowed the adoption of environmentally friendly refrigerants, so every space that needs cooling can now be both more sustainable and safe. From homes to highways to data centers to delivery trucks. A2L and A3 sensors from Sensata. Discover the future of gas sensing today.